Thanks for watching this ship tour of the beautiful Carnival Sunrise. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out when we post new cruise and travel content. The Carnival Triumph was launched in 1999, and for her 20th birthday, she received a $200 million 2-month dry dock makeover in Cadiz, Spain. On May 23, 2019, the ship was officially renamed the Carnival Sunrise. The Sunrise is the second of Carnival's Sunshine-class ships, along with the Sunshine, and will soon be joined by the Radiance, which is structurally identical to the Sunrise. The Sunrise is home-ported in Norfolk, Virginia, New York City, New York, and Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and offers cruises of varying lengths and destinations. The Carnival Sunrise is 893 feet long, has 13 decks, and a capacity for 2,984 passengers and 1,108 crew members. Today we will highlight the public areas of this beautiful ship, so we will skip past decks 1, 6, 7, and 8, which are exclusively staterooms. And that brings us to deck 2, the main deck. This deck is primarily staterooms, but tucked right behind the atrium elevators is where you will find the art gallery. This is where you'll be able to get info on onboard auctions or just look at some beautiful paintings and sculptures. On to deck 3, the lobby deck. On embarkation day, this is where you'll cross the gangway and enter the ship. Here, you'll get your first glimpse of the Sunrise lobby and bar area, where various musicians and the Carnival entertainment staff will hold a multitude of events during your cruise. On the starboard or right side of the lobby bar, you will find the 24-hour guest services counter. On the port or left side is the Carnival Adventures excursion desk, where you can find out about and book all sorts of amazing activities for your ports of call. Moving from the lobby to the aft is the first of the ship's 2 main dining rooms, the Radiance restaurant. Both main dining rooms are 2 levels, and they are the place to go for 3-course sit-down dining with a dedicated serving staff. Tucked away in the corner of the Radiance, on deck 3 is the chef's table, where you and 13 of your closest friends can treat your taste buds to a multi-course dinner prepared by a master executive chef. After dinner, your group will get a tour to see the galley operations. At the rear of decks 3 and 4 is the Sunshine dining room. You can choose a fixed dining time of either 6 o'clock or 8:15, or choose your time dining and dine anywhere between 5:45 and 9:30 p.m. Located on deck 4 midship is the Limelight Lounge. This cozy space is always a hot spot in the evenings as the home to Punchliners Comedy Club and the Adults Nightclub. During the day, the lounge will host various events, including the onboard art auctions hosted by Park West Galleries. Just past the Radiance dining area, you'll find the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse. Premium cuts of beef, a fantastic selection of seafood, entrees, and gourmet appetizers can all be paired with an award-winning wine list. Next up is JavaBlue, where you can get your caffeine fix with Carnival's hot and cold drinks, as well as baked treats. Overlooking the atrium is Pixel's Photo Gallery. This is where you'll go to view and purchase the beautiful pictures that the Carnival photographers have been taking of you throughout your cruise. Pixels also sells a wide range of cameras, accessories, frames, and scrapbooks. At the front of the Sunrise, on decks 4 and 5, is the Liquid Lounge, the ship's main theater. This is where you'll go during the day to learn about excursions, to play bingo or take a dance class, And at night, it's where you'll watch full-blown musical productions performed by the Playlist production staff. Just outside the lounge are the Carnival Fun Shops. From souvenirs and clothing items to duty-free alcohol, tobacco, perfumes, and jewelry, the Fun Shop staff can help you find the perfect gift for that someone special or for yourself. If you're a sports lover, then the Skybox Sports Bar has you covered. Drop by to check up on real-time scores and headlines, or kick back with a drink and snacks to catch your favorite team on one of the big screens. Speaking of games, right around the corner is the Warehouse Arcade, featuring over 40 of the very latest arcade games available 24 hours a day, whether at sea or in port. If you've got a sweet tooth, you might want to check out Cherry on Top, the onboard candy store that is always stocked with your confectionery favorites. Next up is a favorite on every Carnival ship, the casino, where you can put your skills and a little luck to the test on the tables and slot machines. You can join the Carnival Players Club, which offers gaming lessons for beginners and can establish credit lines and betting limits for high rollers. The casino bar is always right nearby to quench your thirst while you play. As you continue to stroll down the promenade, be sure to stop by Bonsai Sushi and enjoy a sit-down service of delectable sushi and sashimi, plus rolls, soups, sakis, and desserts. Get into an island state of mind as you enter the RedFrog pub. Have some drinks with friends, play games and trivia with the Carnival Fun Squad, sing karaoke, or listen to music performed by a live band. If you want it, the RedFrog pub has it. Speaking of music and singing, right next door to the RedFrog is Piano Bar 88. Pull up a seat and let the piano player know what songs you want to sing along to. And just outside the piano bar is the Alchemy Bar, Carnival's vintage-themed cocktail pharmacy. Choose your remedy from the menu, or let the true mix masters prescribe a custom elixir just for you. Now we'll move on up to Deck 9, the Lido deck, where you can eat, play, drink, soak up some sun, or take a dip in the pool. At the rear of the ship, the Tides pool takes center stage, flanked by hot tubs and the Tides bar that will keep you from getting parched while you enjoy that ocean air. Hungry? The Seafood Shack is only steps away, as is Pizzeria del Capitano, which serves up piping hot pizzas 24 hours a day. You can even order a pizza and have it delivered to you anywhere on the ship for a nominal fee. Not in the mood for pizza or seafood? The Lido Marketplace features a variety of casual dining spots for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with tons of options at the buffet, as well as the deli and the Lucky Bowl. And oh, did I mention the 24-hour soft-serve ice cream stations? There's more food, fun, and drinks at midship on the Lido, with the BlueIguana Cantina, a favorite for freshly made tacos and burritos, or try the best burger at sea at Guy's Burger Joint, which on the Sunrise is now also serving breakfast burgers. Wash your grub down with drinks you can grab at the conveniently located RedFrog Rum Bar and the BlueIguana Tequila Bar, just steps from the pool and 2 more hot tubs. Towering over the Lido deck and situated on Deck 10 is Carnival Waterworks, where you can splish splash the day away. There are 2 big slides, the Twister and the Aqua Tunnel, that have an entrance on deck 14, as well as 2 small racer slides for the little ones, and a power drencher ready to unload gallons of fun. There are plenty of seating options to relax and soak up the sun during the day, or grab some popcorn for dine-in movies at the Seaside Theater once the sun goes down. But Deck 10 isn't just a great place to relax, it's also a great place to grab a bite to eat. Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue is quickly becoming a favorite of many cruisers, with his championship pork butt, smoked round of beef, smoked andouille sausage, and his famous blue ribbon chicken, as well as rockin' sides like Mac Daddy mac and cheese, old school potato salad, and collard greens. Don't forget to top them off with Guy's signature barbecue sauces. And another cruise favorite, Cucina del Capitano, is a great place to grab a quick lunch or splurge on an Italian dinner served familia style. Deck 11 features a wraparound jogging track and is all about fun in the sun. The Sportsquare features a ropes course, pool tables, foosball, cornhole, and a soccer and basketball court. Deck 11 Forward, on the other hand, has a more relaxing vibe. Sure, you can get a great workout in at the fully equipped fitness center, but you can also relax at the Cloud9 Spa that features spa services including 2 saunas, full locker rooms, thermal suites, and a full-service salon. Deck 12 is the place to be for the junior cruisers. All the Carnival youth programs provide activities and entertainment for children of all ages. Camp Ocean has 3 separate groups for different ages: the Penguins for 2 to 5-year-olds, Stingrays for the 6 to 8-year-olds, and the Sharks for the 9 to 11-year-olds. Circle C is the place to be for the 12 to 14-year-olds, and teens ages 15 to 17 have their own space to hang out, Club O2. After you drop the kids off, you can step right out onto the adults-only Serenity deck. The sea breeze, peace, quiet, and oh yeah, a bar. The Serenity has space on deck 12 and 14 forward and is a great place for the adults to relax. And finally, in the shadow of that famous Carnival funnel on deck 12 aft, you can have fun and challenge your friends and family to a round of miniature golf while enjoying the scenery of the ocean and the beautiful Carnival sunrise. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the all-new Carnival Sunrise. If you did, please consider sharing, subscribing, and hitting the bell to be notified when I post new travel and cruise content. Don't forget to check out our page for other ship tours and cruise videos. Happy traveling!